I was hoping you were going to serve this
Yes.
because I remember looking through the book, seeing, you know, like, as someone who grew up in the South, I would never think about pimento cheese and peaches together.
Traveling to the South with my family, like I didn't know what pimento cheese was. And then I look at something like peaches that is so iconically Georgia. This is like the past, the present, and the future of food, the way I interpret it, because it envelops the way I grew up as a kid. And that to me, it's just magical when you bite into it and you get the fruit, the sweetness, you know, you get the bitterness from the toast.
I can't wait to take a big bite.
You get the salt from the pimento cheese. You get a little bit of acidity, you know, from the peaches as well. When they grill, they become more acidic. That to me makes the perfect dish.